Dydd Gŵyl Dewi Hapus from the midwifery team here at Bangor University. We're really proud of the bilingual provision that's available here at Bangor, supporting our student midwife through their bilingual teaching and learning really helps our students and enhances their cultural and language awareness so that they're able to provide compassionate and individualised care to the women and families here in Wales.
Happy St David's Day. It's really important to integrate Welsh into dental hygiene and dental therapy programmes so that our students can do the little things like greeting the patients in their first language.
Dydd Gŵyl Dewi Hapus gan y tîm radiograffeg yn Prifysgol Bangor. Bilingual learning plays an important part in preparing our students for practice across Wales. Supporting Welsh language and culture helps future radiographers be able to communicate clearly and compassionately with patients when it matters the most. Happy St David's Day.
Dydd Gŵyl Dewi Hapus gan pawb yn y tîm nyrsio yn Prifysgol Bangor. We are very proud to be a bilingual School of Health Science school and feel proud to be teaching our future nurses in both Welsh and English so that we can serve the community that we are all part of.